Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a viewpoint and marking a horizon with one vanishing point. This establishes the 3D illusion. Sketch a clean V as your base and draw its centerline so both arms match. Once done, set a consistent thickness, about 1/4 to 1/2 of the stroke, and lightly draw parallel offset lines to show the letter's depth. Make sure perspective directions are clear because every subsequent edge will rely on these initial guides. Next, project each corner of the flat V toward your vanishing point using faint guidelines. This creates the extruded volume. Connect corresponding projected endpoints to form the top face and inner bevels, and keep those new edges parallel where the form requires it. As you refine, erase unnecessary guides and check that outer edges visually converge. Misalignment here flattens the effect. If an arm looks off, trace back to its projection and correct the finish by cleaning line work and reinforcing the visible outer edges so the shape reads solid. Then establish a light source and apply a core shadow on the recessed faces, ambient occlusion where surfaces meet, and a thin highlight on the lid edge to sell the volume. Make sure to blend gradients gently for a natural look. If the V still appears flat, double-check every edge's projection against your vanishing point. Correcting that alignment almost always fixes depth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.